The Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist with Pedestrian Detection System on your IONIQ or FCA is designed to help detect and monitor vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians ahead. If a collision is imminent, it's designed to warn the driver and apply emergency braking. To turn the system on or off, select Setup, then select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Forward Safety. Here you have options. If you choose Active Assist, FCA alerts you if a collision is likely and may apply the brakes if one is imminent. This braking is to help minimize a collision, and the driver still needs to apply the brakes themselves. If you select Warning Only, the system alerts you but does not apply the brakes. That is your responsibility. If you select Off, the system is deactivated. You'll notice that the FCA warning light in the instrument cluster is illuminated. If the SCA system detects a collision risk is high, it will provide the forward collision warning. It sounds an alarm, flashes a visual alert, and vibrates the steering wheel. The vehicle may decelerate moderately on its own during this alert, but it will not apply maximum braking if you have selected Warning Only. You must apply the brakes directly. If the system detects a collision is imminent and Active Assist has been selected, the emergency braking warning message may appear. The vehicle may apply brakes, with the brake control maximized just before the collision to minimize the impact. You can also turn the forward cross-traffic safety feature on and off. When turned on, it can provide a warning and emergency braking if the vehicle detects a risk of a collision from a vehicle on the left or right side at an intersection. FCA functions only operate at certain speeds. See your owner's manual for details. FCA may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, while changing lanes, or in certain weather conditions. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Also, FCA may not recognize stationary vehicles. If you're approaching a stationary vehicle at a stop sign, the system will not recognize the vehicle until it begins moving. In addition, in certain instances and under certain driving conditions, the FCA system may produce a warning alarm and control the brake system unnecessarily. For a full list, see your owner's manual. For more information on Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist with Pedestrian Detection, as well as other features of your IONIQ, please see your owner's manual. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.